want to talk about this two-stage knife sharpener from Northmas. If you've worked in kitchens before or just spent a lot of time in the kitchen, you know that the most dangerous thing is a dull knife, not a sharp knife. This is going to really help you keep a nice edge on your cutlery. Now taking a look at the Northmas two-stage sharpener, you can see right down here the feet suction cup. That's really good, so that's going to hold it in place as you're sharpening. Right here is where you plug in the cord to power it. And like I said, two-stage, one button to turn it on. And very easy. You're simply going to start with the crude and finish with the fine, depending on exactly how dull your knife is. If you've just been using it for a little while and you need to touch it up, you can just touch it up with the fine. But we're going to go through the entire process with this knife right here. And it's that easy. You'll put it through and pull. And I usually go 5 or 6 times on each side. Depending on exactly how dull the knife is, you may need to go a little bit longer. And after I've done the crude, I'll move over to the fine to touch up the blade. Just put a fine, finish little polish on it. Easy to use, and there's the finished result. Let's take a look and see exactly how sharp it is. If your knives are getting dull and slowing down in the kitchen, this is a quick and simple way to bring them back to life. This is the Northmas Electric Knife Sharpener, and it's designed for fast, easy sharpening at home without any complicated technique. What makes this stand out is a two-stage sharpening system. First stage is your coarse sharpening, which quickly restores the edge on dull knives. And the second stage polishes and smooths the blade, giving you a clean, sharp finish. So instead of guessing or overworking your knife, it's a simple step-by-step process that delivers consistent results. And it's fast. All you need to do is place the knife in the slot, keep it angled against the guide, and pull it through just a few times, usually 2 to 5 passes, and you can go from dull to sharp in about 30 seconds. And that's a huge time saver compared to manual sharpeners. Another thing I like is how stable and reliable it is. It's built to run smoothly without overheating, so you can sharpen multiple knives in one session without interruptions. The design is also compact and space-saving, which is perfect if you don't want another bulky appliance taking up room on your counter. And one feature that really stands out is the global voltage design. It works from 100 to 240 volts, so it's great whether you're home or traveling, and you don't have to worry about compatibility. The sharpener works best for everyday kitchen knives, and it's ideal for cooking regularly, want consistent knife results, or just don't want to deal with manual sharpening anymore, or paying expensive money to bring it to be professionally sharpened. Overall, this is a simple, efficient knife sharpener that really helps you go back to smooth, easy cutting within seconds. If you'd like to pick up one for your kitchen, click on the link in the description below.